What's up, this is Gerrything. In this video today I will show you how you can share the internet of your iPhone. Like this you can share it with any phone or computer as you want because it's possible to do it with this method. And that's why I will show you in this video how you can share your internet using Wi-Fi. This is a personal connection point as it's called now, but before it was called hotspot. But now I show you directly how you can do that because it's really easy, and if you didn't know it, now I will show you how you can share your internet using Wi-Fi. For that I moved a bit to the right, so now here on the right you have the iPhone, and the first thing you're gonna do is go to settings. So you click on settings, then you scroll a bit downwards, and once you've done that, there you will see this personal access point. Click on it. So there you will see that the option is deactivated. So just hit that button and there will pop up this Wi-Fi Bluetooth pop-up. This pop-up asks you if you want to activate it by Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or if you want to use only USB. I always recommend you, if you are in a public space, connect your USB to Lightning cable. Connect your iPhone by a cable to your computer and use the option only USB. But if you choose the option Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then you can connect it to any other phone, even if it's Android or something else. Windows as well, or any other device that you can connect by Wi-Fi to the internet of your iPhone. With the Wi-Fi option you can activate it and share your internet. So then you activate the option, and then in your iPhone on the top left corner, your time will get a blue background, and like this you see that you are sharing your internet connection to another device. So that's all for today, because like this you know how you can share your internet connection from the iPhone to any other device. It doesn't matter if it's Android or PC or whatever. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Please also subscribe here to the channel. And here I leave you with an interesting video. Thanks for watching, we see us in the next video, bye!